Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do smooth slow-mo in CapCut. Alright, so open your CapCut application. This is my CapCut. So when you open your CapCut application, you start a new project over here. So you're going to be doing smooth slow-mo in CapCut. So I'll select a video that I want to edit. Alright, so I'll select a video of my choice. I think let me select this one here. Then I say add. Okay, so as you can see, this video is not in slow motion, it is in the normal speed. Okay, so to make it in slow motion, tap on the video itself on the timeline, then come to speed, then come to normal, then reduce it a bit at it to 0.4 or 0.5. So when you reduce it there, you've made it go to slow motion. As you can see, it is in slow motion. But to make it smoother or to make it smooth, tap on this one which says make it smooth, then choose better quality. Then after that, just tap on the tick right there. So we are basically applying smooth slow motion. Okay, as you can see, it is showing you smooth slow motion applying. So after that, you just need to wait for your CapCut to load up to 100% and your video will be in smooth slow mo. Okay, so that's how basically you can turn on, or that's how you can use smooth slow mo in CapCut. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and hit the subscription button. Okay, so let's wait for the video to finish converting up to 100, then we see how it looks. All right, smooth slow mo has been applied. Okay, so let's play it. Alright, so that is smooth slow-mo. As you can see, that is how it is. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. We shall meet in the next video.